My experience at the Joe Dispenza retreat literally changed my entire life. It changed my worldview on my reality and how I was playing so small. And literally, since I came back in March, my life has not been the same. I have been experiencing crazy synchronicities. I have truly changed my entire life. The experience itself was magical. It was amazing. I think it was like the perfect introduction to his work in person. I do recommend it to people, but only if they truly, truly feel called to do it, because 3 days of 4 to 5 hour meditations every single day is not for the weak hearted. It's so much energy work that you are exhausted. And like, some of these meditations start really early, and like we would have to be at the location like at 5 o'clock in the morning. But one of the things that I wanted to work on when I went to this retreat was my lack mindset. And I can honestly say I have completely overhauled my energy and my mindset when it comes to lack. What happened to me in the meditations there was I connected so deeply with the quantum and my soul that I started to see that we are all connected, that every desire that we have ever thought about, or every desire that has been put in our hearts, is literally meant for us. Like, sometimes it's really hard for me to come up with the words as well, because it was such a somatic feeling. Like, it was just a feeling that you felt where you're like, oh my god, we're all connected, and I'm not separate from everything that I desire, because I can receive my desires in the quantum field. And I connected so deeply with this higher power, or like my higher self and my soul, that it's hard to see life any other way than from a lens of love and abundance. And I started to truly feel that lack is an illusion. There is no such thing as lack. And it's so funny that our mind can make us believe in something that is so false. But again, I thought I was aware before I went to the Joe Dispenza retreat. And then I really did the meditations and I really connected to my heart. And I'm like, no, I have been living from a lens of lack. Like, I have been forcing myself to not feel negative. I have been forcing myself to, release my fears and remove my doubts and all that stuff. But then I realized that's not even the focus. Like, the focus is not on our trauma or on our experiences that we don't like. The focus is literally connecting to something deeper than us, right? And what's crazy is this is accessible within us. Like, we can just go within and connect to consciousness. By the way, this is what I teach in my new 12-day journey. It's the anti-manifesting manifestation guide. I know that's a tongue twister, but essentially it is a journey of getting to know yourself and then connecting to the quantum, like this field that is bigger than you. And I've talked about this in so many videos, but I've realized that truly the manifesting or healing journey is not about getting anything outside of you. It's about becoming a different version of yourself that easily receives your desires. Because again, like I said, your desires are not outside of you. It is you. Like, it is one with you. And so the only reason that you're not receiving your desires is because you are not the person or the identity that is aligned with it. And I know even that word, like aligned, is used so loosely, but that is truly what it means. It means that you just have to elevate into a different identity of yourself. And that identity already exists in the quantum field. It's really hard to explain this in words because it's such a somatic feeling. Like, you have to feel this, And so that's why sitting with yourself meditations are so important, because it allows you to access this like wisdom that literally is within yourself. And so what I find that collectively we still think that manifesting is about receiving an outcome. So that's why we get stuck in, lack and like fear and doubt, because our focus is the outcome. We're like, when am I going to get this, right? Like, why is it not here yet? Because you're not focusing on yourself. You're not focusing on the journey of you. You're focusing on, I will be happy if, I will be happy when, right? It's still about thinking that the outcome is somewhere there and like I still have to grab it and receive it. But the only way for you to receive your outcome is if you learn to come back to the present moment, is if you become that person now. So that's really all I can share within the time frame here. But I have a podcast where I talk a lot about this work. So listen to my podcast, link in profile, and also join the anti-manifesting manifestation journey, because that will teach you everything you need to know about manifesting from soul. So it's not manifesting from the mind. It's not about affirmations or repetition or saturating the mind. The mind only knows so much, okay? You have to go beyond and connect to consciousness.